Do you want to learn how to create forms in Notion? There's a new Notion Forms update in Notion, and they are now built right inside Notion. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. Now first open up Notion, and on the top, you're going to find this create a new page. Click on this, and it's going to add a new page. Now down below, you will find get started with ask AI table form. We're going to click on form, add a form title. Now it will give you question 1, question 2, and below this we've got a plus icon which says add question. So you can add another question. And on the right, we have got select type. You can add an email form, a URL, phone number form, checkbox, and a lot more. You can check out all of these. You can edit it by clicking inside it and changing the text. This is the share form. And then in the share form, we got the link. So you can share this to someone or who can fill out. Give no access, so it would be a closed form, or you can make it public, or anyone add this person's Notion with the link, or anonymous responses are also allowed. So you can just check this and it will record anonymous responses. I can add files and media as well, so someone can upload the file into the form, the email form, so they can enter the email, multiple questions, number, phone number. And then you click on each of these sections, they have some options on the right. You can make it required. You can add description to it. You can change the question type from here. If you mistakenly added a files and media type, so you can change it to checkbox that way. And this is how to create a form in Notion. This is all you need to know about the new Notion form update inside Notion. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.